Yeah, hello, good morning, guys. I hope you're doing well. You okay this morning? Well, this happened to be on Saturday, the 13th of November, and I would be going out today to catch some film with some friends, and that would be the start of the journey, when it comes to the vlog. So I would be going out to meet some friends. We'll be going out to visit a place called Bournville. So it's going to be interesting journey. And as we hopping together, we just hope to have a good time together. So, well, I there happen to be fellow Nigerians, and we haven't gone out since we've been in the UK. So we decided that today we'll be going to visit a place together, have fun. Since last year pandemic, like disrupted a lot of activities and all that. So we'll be going there, and we just hope that we get a good fun. So let's just go. Let's just see what's we create somehow. So let's just go. Just put in just get your popcorn, get your Coca-Cola, your soda, and let's go. Yeah, hello guys. Yeah, we're here again. I thought I'll be able to get to my destination on time, and guess what?
But how not?
Your Nigerian people at this time. Imagine this lady, even though she's beautiful, Sha, I'll still get like angry.
Hello.
She came late. We're supposed to meet here around.
Not intentionally.
You came late. And this guy too. So see, he came late. Imagine. Oh my goodness. See.
Around 12.
Not 12. You came 12:10. 12:10. 10 minutes. So we'll be heading to our own destination now. We have ordered the Uber. Is it Uber or boat? This is is our Baba Olowo. Baba Olowo. So now we're waiting for our taxi to come and pick us up. Well, we're going to have a good time. Yes, I said it earlier on that we're going to have a good time. So we're waiting. Few minutes from now, we'll get to our destination and have a good time.
Yeah,
so Anat, oh yeah, come on for my you don't face me. Come on. Okay. No, I'm not mean. I'm just. Do you understand? Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Hauna and I am the only female here.
Yeah.
So pray for me, please. Pray for me.
Pray for you for what's going to happen? I don't understand. What's that supposed to mean? Pray for her for what? Please, what are we praying for her for?
Because they might bully me, They are
No, we are gentlemen. Oh, I think she really wants to bully us. No, we are gentlemen. We're not. No. Yeah, okay.
See how close I is. How close I is.
Secure the windbreak. Thank you. Let's all sit back and enjoy. Why, Mr. Parrot, how lovely to see you. Are you coming with us today? Mr. Parrot,
So, this happens to be the end of our trip. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, this happens to be the end of our trip here to the Cadbury World. We had a great time and we had a lot of fun. You know, met a lot of people, had a lot of chocolates and all that. So, we're saying goodbye and we will be seeing you some other time on our next episode. From us to you, we say hello, goodbye.
Yeah.